Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnific Espresso machine. Now for this machine we have to replace the water pump. This one that you see right here, as you can see, is from 2005, so it's definitely been there inside the machine for quite some time and it's been working hard. So now it's time to retire this amazing water pump. We also had to replace the spouts. As you can see, these ones are cracked in the middle, so that was definitely going to affect the way coffee flows through here, and it was probably going to be leaking through this area, as we saw right here. So we replaced that, and we also cleaned a little bit around it, and that's it. That's all we did. So we're gonna be powering this machine on, then we're gonna be doing some coffee, and then we're gonna be using the steamer for hot water and of course steam. Right now the machine is powering on, is heating up from scratch. So now it's doing its initial priming cycle, which is greasing cycle, which is this one that you're seeing right now. Once you finish doing the rinsing cycle, the machine will push the transmission up and down. That's to make sure it resets in the right position and to give the clear sign for the machine to put it in the home position, which is this one. Let me show you right there. That one that you see right there, that is the home position. That is exactly located right here on the grinder. So whenever you're pushing whenever you're pushing this button to make coffee, the grinder activates and then the coffee grounds fall right to that brew unit. Once it falls through there, it goes all the way to the generator, where the generator compresses it, and then the water pump, the new water pump that we installed in the machine, will start pushing water through the entire system on the back of it, going into the spouts as you see right here. Unfortunately, I didn't have my cup there. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Excellent color as well, even though I missed quite a bit of the espresso shot, of the initial espresso shot. We're grinding on the number 4 setting of this machine, and we are using our test coffee, as you see right there. So even though we are using our test coffee and grinding on the middle setting, we got a nice flow, excellent crema, great shot of espresso. Now we're gonna be using the hot water, like I say, and we're gonna be paying a close attention to the flow. As you can see, definitely good flow coming out through the one, hot water going through it the way it's supposed to, and filling up correctly. And now we're gonna be testing the steamer of this machine. Now, in order for this machine to produce steam, the thermal block on the back of the machine needs to get up to temperature. Once it does that, the water pump will start pulsing instead of pushing water, and it will just feed the thermal block a little bit of water at a time. And as water goes into the thermal block, it starts to vaporize because it's at high temperature, and then steam comes out through here. And as you can see, steady steam coming out of the machine, excellent pressure. Really looking great, working excellent. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for playing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.